Have a look at this triangle and pick one. Good grades, social life, or enough sleep. It is hard, right, to try and pick one and leave the other two out, as all are linked to one another. Well, the problem of evil, also known as the inconsistent triad, is very similar. Overall, it is an argument against the existence of God which some non-religious people may use. The inconsistent triad presents to us a triangle with three statements on each corner of the triangle. The statements are as follows. God is omnibenevolent, all-loving. God is omnipotent, all-powerful. And finally, evil exists. However, only two of these statements can be true. We already know that evil, whether it be natural evil such as a hurricane or moral evil such as a murder, do exist and happen daily from our observations of the world. So this part of the triad has to be true. Therefore, since evil exists is true and God is loving is true, that means he is not powerful enough to stop it. This could also be argued the other way. Since evil exists is true and God is powerful is true, then this must mean God does not love us enough to stop the evil. Honestly, this is a complete brain bust. So, how might a Christian or a Muslim respond to the problem of evil? For the purpose of the GCSE RE exam, you will need to know the religious responses to such a philosophical problem. Let's start with Christianity. Some Christians believe that God allows evil to exist because suffering through evil is necessary for individuals to develop or complete their moral souls. This concept is known as soul making and was developed by St. Irenaeus and John Hick. We need to learn what morality is about and we need to develop the proper virtues. We are not born instinctively knowing what morality and goodness is. The suffering of ourselves and others is essential for individuals to learn lessons about morality and virtue. Without the opportunities offered by suffering and evil, people would not have the chance to develop or demonstrate moral virtues like compassion or courage. Now on to Islam. Some Muslims believe that evil is needed in this life because this life is a test. Good can come from suffering and evil. It is a greater good when people resist temptation and follow the right path and the example set by the Prophet Muhammad. Within Islam, it is believed that everything happens because it is the will and the plan of Allah. This is known as Al-Qadr and means that suffering and hardship are part of Allah's greater plan for humanity. Even though people may be unable to appreciate the value or purpose of suffering, they must accept that suffering exists and they will never be able to truly understand Allah's will and purpose. So, there you have it, the problem of evil in under 5 minutes. Can you think of any evaluation points about these religious responses to the problem of evil? Thank you for watching.